Hi everyone, Hannah here. So this is part 2 of our mixed media junk journal tutorial. This is the kit for November and December where we are doing an altered book Christmas theme. And so basically what I am doing, I'm just spraying some of the pages with the shimmer mist that came in your kit. And I like the look of it, the color. It adds a little bit of shimmer, a little bit of color, sometimes like little, dots of the ink inside of the bottle. And I really just love, I really just love the look of it. So I'm taking some washi tape of where I'm going to be putting a picture at. I'm cutting off a couple of pieces that'll go on the opposite corners of the photo. And then to finish out the page, kind of making a pretty border around it, I'm taking some of the wax paste. I really love this color. And I'm just adding it around the edge of this page. That'll make a really nice border to go around our picture. So with our side pocket, what I am doing is taking one of the book pages when we thinned out our book, and I'm putting it inside this pocket, and then I'm going to fold it over. And it's just kind of something to put in. I might end up gluing a picture down, I might do some journaling, or tape something on the page. So it's just kind of like a place to hold another memory. This book, I'm going to be putting pictures of my family, kind of older, our generations, and so I thought it would be pretty neat, just to kind of utilize as much space as we can for those special memories. And with the page that we're going to be folding in the pocket, I want to go ahead and cover up some of the writing on the page by adding our acrylic paint. I like some of the words to show, but since the words are not really Christmas related, I'm trying to just paint over most of them. So I sprayed a few more pages, and now our next page here, I want to do some painting, just mostly to cover up these words. Like I said, it wasn't a Christmas book. I loved the color of the cover of this book, but it wasn't Christmas, related at all. So some of the parts of the pages I'm just covering up with paint, because I'll be embellishing over it or writing over it, or maybe even just gluing a page down, a picture down on top of it. So with your brush pen and your stamp, what I'm doing, and of course I'm using a different pen, but it's the same thing that you can do with your brush pen, is just to color on the back of your stamp and then place it on your piece of paper. And I really like the effect of it. It's really cool. So I'm doing this on the top of the page, and I like it really well, so I'm going to go ahead and do it on the bottom of the page too. It's really cool, and with the script it kind of looks like someone actually hand wrote it out, so I really like that. So now I'm taking one of the leaves that you received in your kit, and I'm taking my brush pen and actually drawing around the leaf, using it as a stencil. And so I do this 3 times, just kind of making an image on the bottom of the page. And I really like how it comes out, just, kind of more of the handmade side to the book. I really do like that. So now with what I'm doing is on one of the pages, I'm just kind of writing over the border that it had, which I really liked. Now, if your book doesn't have this, because I did run out of these particular books, your page might have some other frame on it, or you could even just do some doodling on your own as a frame, or just some random drawing on your page, and it really just adds your own special touch to your project. So I have this Christmas bag that I had gotten at Starbucks. We like to go to Starbucks, and whenever they give the kids a cake pop, they put it in here, and my kids eat it so fast, so there's no cake crumbs in there at all. So I'm basically going to reuse this in our book and make a little pocket. So I tore the edge, separated it, and then I'm adding some Mod Podge, and I'm adhering it to the page, and it's basically just going to make a nice little fold over pocket page. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to let me know, and stay tuned for our next video, which we will post soon. Thank you so much. Bye.